Every year millions of industrial, as well as consumer parts are manufactured in India. In large companies, these parts are manufactured on ultra-high-end imported machines which cost a fortune, whereas in the small and medium industry, this is often done on used, second-hand, outdated and less efficient contraptions. So, there is inherent lack of innovative, high-quality, affordable machines that are made in India and are within the reach of small and medium businesses and new entrepreneurs. Also, the way majority of businesses operate and source orders is via word of mouth. It takes quite some time to launch a business and source customers when you're relying on just mutual friends and relatives to convey it to their contacts for manufacturing orders. So, there is a lack of a platform dedicated for the manufacturing industry that allows the businesses to place and receive manufacturing orders within the same platform. In order to address and solve this problem, we at JOSHI Industrial Machines are working to create new innovations in manufacturing technology. We are dedicated to produce a high-tech CNC product range consisting of new innovative IoT, Internet of Things, enabled smart CNC, computerized numerically controlled machines, aimed towards Industry 5.0 revolution. Just the way MSMEs are the backbone of the industry, CNC machines are the backbone and a vital part of manufacturing industry. Equipping the industry with the latest technology, machinery and equipment will improve the quality, efficiency, and throughput significantly, which will create higher revenue and hence employment opportunities. To create high growth in the existing ecosystem of manufacturers and customers, we are working towards creating a technology-enabled improved process facilitating the transactions and order placements by the means of an online platform, where customers can choose from a number of manufacturers online, and get the best price and quality. The same platform, from the manufacturer's end, will allow them to reach a much higher target audience and make orders sourcing easy and efficient, hence creating a high-growth coexisting industrial marketplace. Our mission is to empower people who love to make stuff. We are dedicated to providing exceptionally engineered compact industrial CNC machines, manufacturing services, industrial automation and related products and services with best technical support and customer service. Our focus is to help our customers turn their concepts into reality by providing the tools and information that help them be successful in manufacturing industry. This platform will be used to provide an improved service to the customers by handling all the transactions digitally and giving access to a huge amount of order-related data online which was previously non-existent. The result will be a scalable business model with a positive cash flow generating more revenue and employment. Getting new people into manufacturing and supporting the existing micro, small, and medium industries by propelling them towards growth is the vision behind JOSHI Industrial Machines LLP.